Hello, this is Sean Yu again, bringing you another video from IronQuad for our IQ Pro Apprentice Kit. This is going to be a quick video. So some of you might wonder, what is this low rate and high rate? So simply said, this is how fast, you can control how fast your drone can go. When you first fly, we recommend you starting at a low rate. So at a low rate, this means that this button is not pushed down. This is low rate. Now, if you feel like you're comfortable with flying, we would recommend hitting this high rate button, and we can show you that this drone would go a lot faster.